Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for short-term income trade. That is daily income trade and hourly income trade based on the end of the day candles closed on 22nd April 2024. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our YouTube channel. I kept all the videos in a playlist, supply demand zone price action course. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. And if you click the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen our skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation. The first report we are going to generate is a bullish trade setup for daily income trade. In daily income trade, higher time frame is daily, intermediate time frame is 75 minutes and lower time frame or entry time frame is 15 minutes. So that is the reason why I am selecting entry time frame as 15 minutes. And your entry zone should be demand zone because it is bullish trade setup. That means you need to place long orders as per these reports. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in 15 minutes time frame, that is entry time frame, we are selecting bullish. I am also going to set three parameters, three filters actually. The first filter is we don't want pierced zones. So that's why I want to set pierced count, the last parameter in this page, pierced count for entry time frame, that is 15 minutes time frame. I want to set the value 0. That means the minimum value should be 0, maximum value 0, which indicates the pierced count should be 0. If pierced count is 0, that indicates zone is not pierced. And the second filter we are going to set zone achievement. The zone achievement should always be VOZ, violated opposing zone. And the third filter is a minimum odd enhancer score. The minimum odd enhancer score for bullish or bearish trade setup should be 12. So I am setting the value 12. Now let's filter the stocks. Now 13 stocks are filtered. You can also look into this search strategy. Entry zone is a demand zone. Even before that, entry time frame is 15 minutes. Your entry zone is demand zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, for 15 minutes we selected bullish. That means it is a bullish trade setup. So all these 13 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for daily income trade. As you learned in the lesson between lesson 11 and lesson 15, you have learned all the concepts related to different income trades and also bullish and bearish trade setup based on trend, location and decision making table. All the concepts are incorporated in this algorithm and then it filtered the stocks. So these 13 stocks are supporting the trend. Look into the trend here. All the trend here in ITF time frame is uptrend. And also they support the price direction as well. Okay, now anyway, this is the bullish trade setup as filtered by our software. Now let us generate the bearish trade setup. See, I am giving you only few seconds time to watch this report. So you need to pause the video and then you need to study all the columns. In case if you are not aware of this report structure, please complete lesson 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21. I have clearly explained this entire report structure, all the columns and their abbreviations, everything I explained in detail. Even also I have explained how we can draw the zones in trading view by taking this leg in, base and leg out. Okay, now let me go back and generate the bearish trade setup. So for bearish trade setup for daily income trade, entry time frame is 15, but entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 15 minutes time frame, we have to select bearish. And remaining filters are same as what we set earlier. Now let us filter the stocks. Now 8 stocks are filtered. These 8 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for daily income trade, that is short-term income trade. Now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. These are the intraday trades, hourly income trade. So in hourly income trade, higher time frame is 75 minutes. Intermediate time frame is 15 minutes and entry time frame is 5 minutes. That is the lower time frame. That's why I am selecting the entry time frame as 5 minutes. For bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 5 minutes time frame, I am selecting bullish. And the 3 filters, first filter, we don't want pierced zones. So I am setting pierced count as 0, 0. For this time we are setting for 5 minutes time frame. Minimum value should be 0. Maximum value should be 0. Indicates pierced count should be 0. That means zone is not pierced. And next second parameter, zone achievement, we are selecting VOZ, violated opposing zone. And the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. Now let us filter bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. So these 8 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. Now we will generate a bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So let me go back. So entry time frame is 5 minutes for a bearish trade setup, hourly income trade, but entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in 5 minutes time frame I am selecting bearish. And remaining filters are same as what we set earlier. Now let us filter. Now all these 7 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So in the final report, let us generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. So I am generating the stop buffers. So the 5% ATR you have to use it for daily income trade, 3% ATR you have to use it for hourly income trade. And also remember, here we have in this column we have daily ATR value. And also first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices, remaining all are equity stocks listed in F&O segment. So let me scroll down. I will be giving you few seconds time. If you want to refer any of this stock, please pause the video. So I am scrolling down. So this is the complete list. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.